Hello, my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today we are in Santo António, Parque de Floresta, development of villa located on the picturesque hills, sharing this magnificent unobstructed green view of the Gulf Hills. Just about 5 minutes away from the beach and a beautiful town of Salema. Salema offers renovated roads, lots of cafeteria restaurants, great access to the beach and magnificent ocean view from the hills. Parque de Floresta is located just about 20 minutes away from Lagos, about 1 hour from the International Airport and great Algarve shopping. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this property. This fantastic 5 bedrooms, 5 bathroom, 517 meter square villa is located right on the Gulf on a double plot of 2,520 meters with a generous size heated swimming pool and absolutely incredible views. The villa has been built in 2008 and has been completely renovated since and presents today a contemporary design style and with all the features of the luxury villa. The villa is split over 2 levels. As you enter on the main entrance on the ground floor, you move into the living, dining and a cozy fireplace area. On the right side of the property, there is a great sized suite with an additional half room for the kids. To the left of the living room, it's a fantastic and modern, fully equipped kitchen with an amazing selection of natural stone island with a breakfast bar, adding more sitting areas and an interesting element to design. This entire level has multiple access that leads to the huge terrace with an access to the pool, outdoor summer space and barbecue. Next level down presents 4 beautifully designed and renovated en-suites, some with a walk-in closet, and again all bedrooms have exits to outdoors, enjoying the views and the pool. For convenience of entertaining your friends and family, this villa offers an additional fully equipped kitchen, a beautifully landscaped garden with an irrigation system, and so many more features of the luxury villa. If you like this property, please give us a shout on the phone and please like, subscribe. This has been Cheers from the Algarve and see you soon.